if you're a more mature entrepreneur and you're considering doing content marketing on TikTok, but you're wondering, do I have to use trends in my TikTok videos? They seem silly. They don't seem to be related to my business model, my ideal customer, and or their pain point for which my offerings would be great for them to buy so that they can get out of pain and into pleasure. So do I have to bother with them on TikTok? Well, this video is for you. Hey, what's up everybody? It's Stacey Storino. Welcome back to my channel, the #1 place to learn about crafting content that converts content consumers into paying customers. I've got 8 years of experience coaching thousands of students across the world under my belt, and a lot of what I've seen has led me to create this video titled, Do I Have to Use Trends in My TikToks? But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get the help that entrepreneurs like you need to succeed with content marketing that drives traffic to your business so that you can do more business. Now, this is a matter of maybe yes, maybe no. I mean, certainly you do not have to use or in any way be leveraging trends on TikTok for every single piece of content you create on TikTok. I'm not taking that position, but it is worth checking on what the trends are on TikTok from day to day because they can change on the daily. Why? Because sometimes you'll see that certain trends might have a causal connection or nexus between the trend itself and your ideal customer, their pain point, your business model, your offerings. And if you're closed-minded and not willing to look to see that this is the case, well, you're cutting yourself off from not just a major source of inspiration to create content that day, but you'll be missing out on leveraging the attention that jumping on that trend could get you whenever it would make sense to create content having to do with that trend. To check from day to day, log into TikTok, and on the bottom of your home screen, you'll see the Discover icon. Tap that and you're going to be taken to the Discover page where you can see what trends are hot right now, as well as the trending hashtags that correspond with those trends. Certainly, if you see a trend that's worth creating content over in connection with your business, you're going to want to use that trending hashtag in the caption that you write just before you publish your TikTok. So in the case of what you can see in this image, do you have a business that could be described as a women-owned business? Then I'd be creating a TikTok and using that hashtag. Is your business that of fashion? Is it somehow fashion-based? And you have a spring collection? Oh wait, I might just be creating a piece of content that is connected to spring and using that hashtag. Surprise! From day to day, you might have multiple ways to make the most of a trend. More exposure equals more traffic. This is a very common sense thing, but if you're an older adult and you're resistant to marketing on TikTok at all, let alone on a regular basis, well, you certainly might automatically be making the snap judgment that creating content that is related to trends on TikTok is automatically a bad thing. It's not. Remember, the whole point of organic content marketing on any platform is to drive more traffic to your business so that you can do more business. The Discover page trends will not just relate to hot music or effects, but holidays and tentpole events such as the Super Bowl, the Met Gala, Coachella, that sort of event. Do you mean to tell me that you can't connect your business, its branding, and or its offerings to any of those sorts of things? Now keep in mind that trends, once they hit the Discover page, tend to come and go within about 3 to 4 days max, but that's okay. You'll always have a potentially fresh new idea to leverage for your TikTok content creation. Don't just copy whatever is already there though. You know what your branded look and feel should be. You know what kind of brand-based experience your ideal customer is looking for from a business like yours. So use that to guide how you create a TikTok video that is fitting for your niche. So if you're ever coming up dry in terms of inspiration to create a TikTok video, use these trends to give you some inspiration. And honestly, it should be easy to create one of these videos daily. So now I want to hear from you. Will you be more open to at least exploring trends on TikTok to see if there's something worth leveraging in your content marketing on that platform? Well, go ahead, comment below. I do read your comments. And if you want more help in terms of distinguishing yourself from the crowd and increasing your trustworthiness in the eyes of your niche, I actually have a freebie for you to pick up called 10 Reasons Why You're Viewed as a Fake Guru and How to Gain Credibility and Customers Instead. And you can pick it up at don'tbeafakeguru.com. The link for you to score that freebie guide is in the show notes or the description down below. There you have it. You now have my answer when it comes to the issue of, do I have to use trends in my TikToks? Need more help? Be sure to check out these two awesome videos too, because they'll teach you great content marketing strategies that can also help to blow up your business. Enjoy.